Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation video guide of the YCKG7 single-phase time controller. Before getting started, switch off the power supply, and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. We'll need the following tools: wire strippers, crimping pliers, wires that meet the required specifications, an electric screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. Before installation, carefully check that the product is in good condition, confirm that the selected model meets the required operating conditions, and choose a suitable installation location. To install the product, first align it with the top of the DIN rail, then press the lower part of the product until the latch returns to its original position, ensuring the product is securely installed on the DIN rail. To remove the product, use a flathead screwdriver to release the bottom latch. Then lift the lower part of the product away from the DIN rail. Before wiring, select the appropriate wire size according to the rated current of the product. Use a wire stripper to carefully remove 9 to 11 mm of insulation from the wire, exposing the conductor. Then use a crimping tool to securely attach the terminal, ensuring a reliable connection. The YCKG7 supports 3 different wiring methods. Select the appropriate method according to the wiring diagram. According to the wiring diagram, connect the power supply to the input terminals of the time controller. Then connect the load to the output terminals of the time controller. Connect the power supply to the input terminals of the time controller. Then connect the coil of the 220-volt AC contactor to the output terminals of the time controller. Finally, connect the power supply and load to the normally open contacts of the AC contactor. Connect the neutral wire to the N input terminal of the time controller, and connect the L3 line of the 3-phase power supply to the L input terminal. Connect the 220-volt AC contactor coil to the output terminal of the time controller. Then connect the power supply, and load to the normally open contacts of the contactor. Connect the neutral wire to the N input terminal of the time controller, and connect the L3 line of the 3-phase power supply to the L input terminal. Connect one side of the 380-volt AC contactor coil to the L output terminal of the time controller, and connect the other side of the coil to the L2 line of the 3-phase power supply. Then connect the power supply, and load to the normally open contacts of the contactor. Before powering on, install the battery included in the package into the time controller, and follow the user manual to check that all functions operate correctly. After powering on, press the Setup button to configure the timer. Then press the Auto Manual button to switch the controller to normal mode, and use a multimeter to test the on-off operation. For any problems, refer to the troubleshooting guide, which provides diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, visit console.com or get in touch with us on social media.